Alright, we are built. Just thrown a crappy sheet on and not done the belt tensions or anything. It's just kind of slapped together. Still needs a lot of tidying, but this will be the SLM MathematicalPotato's Gantry and Z. Beautiful work, 10 out of 10. All went together pretty well, to be honest. Really done a great job. So let's try the first ever home. Well, it all looks good. Of course, the lovely K3 2004 motor noise. Definitely the belt. The bed needs leveling. Beacon's almost touching the bed. I'll do a Z tilt just to get it moving a bit. Also need to keep an eye on the pinions to see that the belts aren't running down like that one a little bit. Might need adjusting. There we have it. Let's see what the bed looks like too.